Haskang inita. Pero, congratulations sa mong nag-iisang anak ni Papa Junjun, ni-graduate na karong adlaw o grade 6, puhon next school year na anami high school. Congratulations anak, nanay kauban si mama.
Okay. Okay, congratulations to all of you graduates. We wish you all the best as you embark on the next chapter of your lives. Again, congratulations.
Mag-picture sa daw, teachers. Naabot na.
Glenda Elementary School. I promise to cherish the dignity of labor and to do faithfully about my duties with industry. Persevere.
Congratulations sa tanan grade 6 graduate sa Rita Glenda Elementary School today. Padayon sa paglambo papaning kamot. Next niyo journey is high school life na mga bata. Congrats po nato ang mga parents ani nga mga graduates sa atong suporta kanunay sa ilaha.